a lazy girl's fitness guide to stay in shape. In between work deadlines, lazy days at the beach, and weekend brunch, it's no wonder squeezing in a workout routine isn't high on your priority list. The good news is, staying in well-maintained shape doesn't imply sacrificing your beauty sleep at the crack of dawn and hitting the gym. Instead of fixing your alarm clock to an unachievable hour, try this lazy girl's fitness workout routine. This is the perfect solution for those early mornings when you just cannot seem to wake up on time to hit the gym. You can do all the moves anytime, anywhere, as most of the effective exercises involve using your body weight alone. So, stop with all the excuses, and try these lazy girls' fitness routines to be on track all season long. Top workouts for lazy girls. Here are a few tips on lazy girls workout for women, for making the maximum difference with minimal effort. 1. Standing instead of sitting. Our bodies are composed of around 300 joints and 800 muscles. Sitting on a chair for long hours can freeze our body in a flexed position. Think about the normal posture of an elderly person. But we can make clear choices to stand up on the train, have a walking meeting, or even stand in the pub on a weekend. So instead of looking for a seat, take the higher ground. 2. Try squats. Squats are the most comfortable resting position for us. Sadly, we have long been comfortable in the sitting position. And due to its adverse consequences, it is our inability to sit in a squat. The position not only keeps our hips flexible but also lines our digestive system for bowel movements. You can try this routine 3 minutes daily whilst being seated in the squat position. Your heels must come in contact with the floor, feet faced downwards, and knees kept wide apart from. In addition, it is also simpler to do the routine using a wedge under your heels, so that you can start in heels and work all the way down to bare feet. 3. Try these positions while watching television. Are you addicted to watching television shows? If so, are you usually slumped in a sofa, only to complain later about how terrible your back pain has turned into? Unknown to you, repeated sofa slouching can put pressure on your back, forcing your spine to turn into a curvy shape. In order to prevent these problems, soak up the benefits of these floor stretching routines whilst watching your favorite show. Sit cross-legged. This is the most common position yoga classes begin with and the one all children inherently adopt. Do not forget to switch sides while practicing this one. Pancake. Start by seating on the floor. Put your legs out in front of you and wide as you can. If you feel like you're falling off backwards, stack up some of your favorite books to make it simpler. Front lying. This routine does exactly what it preaches. Lie on your front and prop yourself up on your elbows. 4. 3 routines for a better body. Without leaving your bed, incorporate these 3 lazy girls workouts into your daily sessions 3 to 4 times a week to see results for a better body. Cobra. Lie on your stomach with your arms reaching along your body and palms facing down. Draw out your belly button in, squeeze your butt muscles, and pinch your shoulder blades together. Lift your chest and hands off the floor, keeping your arms straight. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Lower and repeat 10 to 15 minutes. Bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet flat, and shoulder width apart. Draw your stomach in and squeeze your butt muscles. Lift your pelvis off the floor until your knees, hips, and shoulders are in line while pushing through your heels. Hold the position for 10 seconds and lower your pelvis to the floor. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Plank. Lie on your stomach with your feet together and foregrounds on the ground and elbows below your shoulder. Draw your stomach in and squeeze your butt muscles. Lift your body off the floor and form a straight line from head to toe. Hold for 10 seconds. Lower your body and repeat 10 to 15 times. 5. Do stretching without leaving your bed. Unknown to you, a repeated sedentary position can block fat-burning enzymes, preventing from losing excess weight easily. Most of us love our beds as they are super comfortable and easily accessible. If you and your bed have a history together, then utilize the very thing you sleep on. You can use the beds to do your stretching routine, or you can use your bed for improving your leg flexibility, and by sitting in the middle of the bed with your feet wide out and hold the position. Envision you are trying the splits. Then spend a few minutes every night trying out stretching on a cushy mat. 6. Use kettlebells. There is a common perception that kettlebells are meant for girls that do a lot of lifting routine. But actually, they're for all girls who want to lift them. The simple 5-minute routine makes kettlebells seem more approachable. You may just require certain types of equipment and lots of enthusiasm to get through it. 7. Before bed yoga. Not only does yoga strengthen your core, boost your muscle tone, and make you more flexible than you can imagine, it's also the perfect way to distress your body. These simple before bed yoga positions can allow you to breathe out your stress and make you ready for a blissful sleep ahead. 8. Subscribe to fitness apps. This is a perfect solution for lazy girls to stay fit without hitting the gym. There are lots of fitness apps coming up as per lazy girls' workout plan. Try the Fitness App Swr Kit, which allows you to pick from strength training and stretching or more varied workout. The app offers different exercises for a more varied workout. It comes with a timer of 5 to 60 minutes. Or try Kilo, which is a high-intensity workout app that helps you get in shape beyond the gym. The app can allow you to have access to a virtual coach who responds to queries and provides feedback on your workouts. This can make you feel like you're working with a real personal trainer. After you are done with the cardio, planks, crunches, and the downward-facing dog, then all you need is a good night's sleep. Try Relax Melodies to help you cool down to a range of calming sounds, including rain, white noise, and wind. Nothing can kill your exercise routine motivation faster than a jam-packed work routine. But that's where these home workout routines come in. Taking 10 breaks in between your work routine can allow you to tone up and earn as many endorphins. So, what are you waiting for? Get started.